learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. There are a lot of scenarios that you forget something, and let's focus on things, okay? Some of the things that we might forget in the middle of something. 首先教大家惨了，我忘了。Oh no, I forgot.
惨嘞，我唔記得嘞。
惨嘞，我唔記得。And what's wrong? 什麼事？
馬嘅事情。
馬嘅事情。好，我們出門了，有的時候可能已經在喝下午茶，突然間發現，哎哇，剛剛出門的時候瓦斯 gas 沒關啊，
糟哦，
很糟糕，所以 I forgot to turn off the gas。
瓦斯冇關，
瓦斯冇關，瓦斯 that means gas 冇關，didn't turn it off， 或者是電燈沒關。
天火冇關，
天火冇關 that means I forgot to turn off the lights， 這個比較 OK 一點啦，只是怕浪費電了哈。Alright， 再來 maybe I forgot to lock my car， 哎，這個我就常常發生啊，就是去哪裡停完車，看那個電影停完車，走了之後說啊，哇，好像忘記鎖門呢，哈。但回去通常都是其實有鎖了啦。
我有時候也會這樣。
All right, but sometimes it does happen, right? We think that we forgot to lock the car, and maybe we did, but we go back and check it again. So, 車子沒鎖怎麼說？
柴冇鎖。
柴冇鎖，柴 that means the car 冇鎖 didn't lock it.
那海陸腔的車子，柴兒冇鎖。
Oh, okay, that's a different dialect for your car, your vehicle. 柴兒冇鎖。I didn't lock the car. 好，最常發生的啦。然後真的有的時候呢，就完了，丟了，被人家搶走了。你知道，
手機啊？
對，你去餐廳吃個飯，放在那邊，去圖書館，然後在念書的時候放在那邊都有可能。I forgot my cell phone. I left it there. 忘了拿手機。
唔記得拿手機耶。
唔記得拿手機耶。Okay, 唔記得拿 that means I forgot to take.手機耶，
手機
哦，數機耶，手機啊，就是手機啦哈。That's your cell phone. All right, let's review some of these vocabulary. 沒關 didn't turn off.
冇關
and then maybe you didn't lock the car. 沒鎖
冇鎖
and your cell phone 手機
手機耶
and it's all about oh no I forgot.
慘嘞，我唔記得。
慘嘞，我唔記得。And what's wrong?
馬嘅事情
That means what's wrong. All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.